Hey Troy, how you doing? It's Greg, the Antique Digger. I got your pen all fixed up. It's all polished up and ready to rock and roll. I just wanted to show you what the final product. So I know we're in the shade here, but cleaned up the cap, barrel. You got your nib, a little piece of fuzz on the end of it. It's a great looking nib. As I said in my email, that's a 1951 nib. It's marked, and you got a 47 barrel, first quarter. So I just put a little chalk on that so you can see it, but that'll easily come off if you want it off. Put the diaphragm in, and 13 or 14 pumps it'll fill full. So I just want to show you the Vacumatic pump working. So new diaphragm installed, ready to rock and roll. You can hear it. Right about 13 or 14 pumps it seems to fill full. So that's the story. So it's got to clean out the water, but anyways, it's what's happening with the 51. So she's ready to write again, and I think you'll be pretty happy with this. It turned out really well, and definitely it was a clean pen to start with, but it is a wonderful looking pen. The nib is great. It's like a broad type of nib. I'm sure you'd be jonesing to get this back. So again, it's Parker. So just wanted to show you what we did. Got the jewel all polished up, secured back in, cleaned inside the cap, which was already cleaned pretty much for the most part. Just a little light cleaning, and cleaned up some of the scratches that were at the very top of the blind cap. And there was a really deep gouge in this area here, and I was able to buff that out. So I hope you enjoy it. I'll get it back in the mail here probably Saturday morning. So you should look for it on Monday, Tuesday. If you have any questions, give me a holler. Thanks a lot, Troy. Have a great weekend. Talk to you soon.